Hello, good morning student of class 12. Today we'll discuss a important question from P block. The question is that explain why both nitrogen and bismuth do not form pentahalide while the phosphorus does. Means to say nitrogen and bismuth can form the pentahalide do not form pentahalide like NCl5, BiCl5. These are not existing compounds, but the phosphorus can form the pentahalide. Okay, pentahalide means PCl5. Phosphorus forms pentahalide like that. Okay, now just first of all just focus on the electronic configuration of the nitrogen and the bismuth. So in the case of nitrogen and the bismuth, both are having their separate reasons why they are not forming the pentahalides. Okay, both are not having the same reason to form pentahalide. Different reasons are there for the nitrogen and the bismuth to form the pentahalides. Both nitrogen and bismuth do not form pentahalide, but due to different reasons are there. ठीक है. The elements nitrogen cannot extend its covalency to 5 due to absence of 2d orbital in the valence shell. In the case of nitrogen, I have write the electronic configuration of the nitrogen. Because of atomic number of nitrogen is 7, so 1s2 2s2 2p3, and then the next orbital is 3s. So there is no vacant d orbital in the case of nitrogen, so it cannot extend its octet, so it can not form the pentahalide. This is the reason for the nitrogen to do not form the pentahalide, because of absence of d orbital in the nitrogen. Clear? Now we are just going to talk about the bismuth, the last element of the nitrogen family. Clear? The element bismuth do not form the pentahalide due to the strong inert pair effect by the valence 6s electron. Clear? So bismuth cannot form, the bismuth having the strong inert pair effect. Inert pair effect maximum occurring in between 15th to 17th group of the periodic table. Clear? In the inert pair effect, the 6s electron is not going to be participate with the other bonding elements, so this kind of effect is called inert pair effect, or we can say the reluctance of the 6s electron to take part in the bonding with the other element, that is called inert pair effect. So inert pair effect by the valence 6s electron which are not available for bonding, the element P does not form pentahalide. Okay, the element does form, the element phosphorus, we are talking about the phosphorus. The element phosphorus does form the pentahalide due to the ability of the 3d orbitals, or we can say vacant d orbitals, which can participate in the bond formation. I have right here the electronic configuration of the phosphorus: 1s2 2s2 2p6 2p6 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p3, and then 3d, and then 3d's are there. 3d orbital is available for bonding with the other elements. So this is the main reason. Separately reasons are there. Nitrogens, because of vacant d orbital are absent in the case of nitrogen, they cannot form pentahalides. In the case of bismuth, it has a very strong effect of the inert pair effect. Because of that, it cannot form the pentahalides. In the case of phosphorus, it can form pentahalides because of presence of vacant d orbital. That's why. Clear? So I hope you understand this question answer. Okay, thank you class.